Hello everyone. As we all know, India is changing at a fast pace. And with this change, most of the resorts and hotels and even beautiful homes are popping up at different and stylish, beautiful locations all across the country. So with this change, one thing that most of the people are looking for is durable and stylish building materials. But up until now, most of the building materials, especially roofing tiles, were getting imported from China and Europe, which made it over expensive and priced. But not anymore. Now, in India, we have nano ceramic roofing tiles made proudly in India. They're not only made for luxury resorts, hotels, institutions, they are also made for your homes as well. I'm here at this gorgeous resort, the Farm Retreat at Anakatti near Mangare bus stop. This resort is completely equipped if you come with your friends group or your family retreat. Here, all the private villas have a private swimming pool and are inspired by Chettinad and Thai style of architecture. And this is gorgeous, it's beautiful. It even has amenities like the library, reading cafe, then there is a restaurant, in-room dining, everything that you will look for in a family retreat. You know, the first thing I noticed when I stepped inside is how cool the interiors are. And that's only because of our nano ceramic roofing tiles. The interiors are at least 4 to 5 degrees cooler than the outside environment. And another thing I noticed, noise. The outside noise pollution is almost 100% cancelled. And that is only because of the technology of nano ceramic roofing tiles. Now, these nano ceramic roofing tiles are almost 100% maintenance free. They are water free, fade-free and fungus-free, which makes your homes and your institutions and nano ceramic roofing tiles stay the same, stylish and durable for years to come, no matter the humidity, the scorching sun or heavy rainfall. Now, as I told you, I'm here at this beautiful resort. This is very close to jungle. So, you know, one of the biggest problems which these people would be facing is the monkey menace. Monkeys come, they jump around the roof, they break the tiles and it's a chaos. But these nano ceramic roofing tiles will not slip, will not move from their place because of their patent CoWeb technology, which is used for interlocking each tiles together. And now, here's the best part. Even with such loaded features, these nano ceramic roofing tiles are economical and they come with such amazing, stylish and durable tiles that your homes will and your resorts, your institutions, everything will look aesthetically pleasing. Now we know that before these kind of tiles, now nano ceramic tiles which are being made in India, before this, 90% of the tiles were imported from China and Europe and thus making it very expensive. Now we are making this nano ceramic roofing tiles in India so that you can choose these tiles and make your homes durable and stylish. Our nano ceramic roofing tiles are completely made in India, thus giving you Indian warranty. That is why premium destinations like the Farm Retreat uses nano ceramic roofing tiles for their roofing needs, for the style, for the durability and sustainability. Grow with India, grow with Indian products.
More than 10,000 satisfied customers across India.